So in this video, you'll learn how to turn the camera timer on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So you're going to start by opening the camera app, and then from here, all you need to do is simply open up the menu and look for the timer icon and select it. To turn it on, choose any of these timing options available: 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or even 10 seconds. Then whenever you go ahead and take a photo, like so, you should be able to see a countdown appearing on your screen. So there you have it, and then the image will be taken. However, if you decide you no longer want to have the camera timer being used, you can just tap on the same timing icon and choose the icon that doesn't have a number next to it. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully switched off the camera timer. So whenever you start taking a photo, you can see there's no countdown appearing, which means that you've successfully turned it off. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.